Here's a problem you don't even know you would have with your washer, because you can't see through the top when the top's closed. So every now and then you might want to check this. See this bottom? That's supposed to be firm. It's supposed to be connected into a spline. And as you can see, it just spins. So in other words, it does absolutely nothing. The dogs in this is fine. It's locking. It's this part here. That agitator pretty much needs to be replaced. I can only bet on it. I'm going to pull it out to find out, but right now I'll show you. Now, one way you can actually test this besides doing that, because sometimes they don't slip that easy, but they're worn out. And what you could do is you can actually run the tub with the top open. Now, that is not a recommended procedure really in a way, because this drum spins at a very, very high speed. So you want to use caution if you're going to do that. Do it at your own risk, but I'll show you how you can do it. But just keep in mind, make sure there's nothing that can vibrate and fall into the tub or anything when it's spinning. Make sure no kids are near this, and make sure you keep your hands out of the way. Now you can always hit the start button once and it will actually stop it. But I'll hook it up and I'll show you how this works. Now basically what you're going to do, this piece right here, this is the latch. You're going to take that off and you're going to stick it in here. Now that's magnetic, that's why you can't just put a screwdriver like the old units or anything like that. But I'll show you. The way that it's going to go is this part here has to face towards the front of the washer. If not, it's not going to work for you. Okay, and that's just basically 2 screws you take off, put that in here, and off you go. Remove this agitator. Basically this here will just pull off. Pull this out. I'm going to move this for a second. Bear with me, it's going to shake. But there's your dogs down in there. You're going to pull this cap out. It's going to shake a little bit because I'm holding it with one hand. So take the cover off. Now there's a nut down there. That's what we're going to take off. So I'm going to rest the camera down. Bear with me a second. It's 11 millimeter. Now you notice that nut is already loose. What has happened, the rubber washer that's on there is gone. Now you can make one with thick, firm rubber. And would you believe one place online wanted $11 something for that washer? And $8.99 I think it was to ship it for a rubber washer. I will be making one. Loose. This is going to go back in these tabs up like this.